Home buyers in Annapolis are still finding it difficult to locate a home and may expect to compete against other buyers. It's Friday, May 24th, 2024, and commissioning day for the United States Naval Academy. Congratulations and best wishes in your careers. It's also the unofficial start of the summer in Maryland, the Memorial Day weekend. It's not just about a 3-day weekend, barbecues, beaches, and mountains. Memorial Day is a time of reflection for those men and women who gave their life in service of our country. Take a moment this weekend to reflect on that. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. The shortage of inventory is still creating bidding wars in the area and driving prices up, with offers well above asking prices and buyers foregoing essentials like inspections and appraisals. Right now, there are 124 homes for sale in Annapolis, with almost 40% of those priced over $1 million, up to the highest price home for sale at $8.5 million. 25 hit the market in this past week, and 25 are coming soon. 34 homes went under contract in 6 median days since last report. 31 homes sold in 4 days at 100% list to sold ratio. There are currently 26 rentals available at $3,000 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 24th, 2024. Our office is closed for the holiday, so enjoy your holiday. Stay safe. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next week. Take care.